Good morning children, welcome to your maths class. Today we will read about ascending and descending order. What is ascending order? In class 2 also you have learnt this topic, ascending and descending order, but in that class you have done the practice up to 3 digits, means up to 100, 900, up maximum 999. Only these digits you have arranged in your class 2. But now in class 3 you will learn to arrange the 4-digit numbers, means up to the 1000 digit. You will learn how to write them in ascending order and how to write them in descending order. So first of all we should know what is the meaning of ascending order. Ascending order means when we arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest, means firstly we will write smallest number, then greater to that, and then greater to that, and at the end we write the greatest number. This order is called ascending order. This is the ascending order to arrange the numbers. Next, when we arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest, means firstly we write the greatest number, then smaller to it, after that smaller to it, and at the last smallest number we write, then that order is called descending order. I will explain you with the help of few examples. Firstly, we will take the topic ascending order. You have to learn this spelling also. If not learned, learn it again. Ascending order, A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending order means we have to go small to big, smaller number to we have to write biggest number. 1 is the 1-digit smallest number, 9 is the biggest number. If it means if 1 to 9 numbers are given, firstly I will write 1, then next number, and at the end I will write 9. Smaller to bigger. Clear? Example, question number 1. Write in ascending order. And our question in front of you, that is 1236, 2236, 3236. So smaller to bigger we have to write. So which one is smaller? Here are 4 digit. So in this we have to check their 1000 place digit only. Only we have to check firstly their 1000 place. If we find the difference, then okay, no need to check other digit. So here 1000, 1000, 2000, 3000. Which is smallest? 1000. So ascending order, firstly I will write 1236. Suppose this is not 2, this one is 5236. Now which one is smaller? Now we have to compare these two, because 1236 already we find out that it is smallest number. Now we will check the comparison between these two. So whose 1000 is small? 3000. So we will write next 3236. What remains last? Only 5000. So we will write this biggest number at the end, 5236. One more example. 1236, 1036, 1136, 1530. Here I will write 1536. Here it is 1336. Again we have to write in the ascending order, smaller to bigger number. So we will check only their thousand places first. 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. Oh, all the thousands are same. We can't compare. They all are same. We can't write which one is smallest. So what we have to do? We will check their 100 place digit. Here 200, 000, 500, 300. Which one is smallest? This one. So this number is smallest. 1036. We have written it very easily now. Clear? So this number done. We will leave it. Now comparison between these three. Again we will check. Thousands are same. Their thousands are same. We can't compare. Check their 100 digit. 200, 000. Oh no. This we have covered up now. We will leave it. We will leave this now. 1200. Here is 500. Here is 300. So which one is smallest now? 200 is smallest. So we will write the numeral 1236. Now this is also covered up. Now remaining are 1536 and 1336. Thousands are same. Check their hundreds. 500, 300. So which one is smaller? 300. So we will write here 1336. Now this is also covered up. What remains at the end? What remains? 1536. So this is the largest number. So this here is ascending order. 1036, 1236, 1336 and 1536. One more example. Suppose the digits are 7270. Here is 7210, 7240, 7250. 7250. Same order, ascending order we have to write. Firstly check their thousands. 7777. Thousands are same. Now check their 100 place. 200, 200, 200, 200. Oh, these are also same. We can't compare. What we have to do? We have to check their tens place digit. Here 7, 1, 4, 5. So which one smallest here? 7 tens, 1 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Which tens are smallest? 1. So which number is smallest here? 7210. So firstly we will write this. So this is the smallest number we Got it. So firstly I will write here 7210. Now comparison between these three. It is curved up now. 7270 here. These two places 1000 and 100 same, 1000 and 100 same. Here also 1000 and 100 same. Tens place we have to check. 710, 410, 510. Which is smallest? 4 tens are smaller. So we will write here 7240. Now comparison left between these two, 7270 and 7250. 1000 and 100 are same. We will check only their tens place digit. Here 710, 510. So which one smallest? 5 tens are smallest. The number which contains 510 is smallest. So 7250 we have written. And what left now? 7200, 7270. So at the end I have written 7270. See, 7210, 7240, then 7250, and then 7270 at the end. So in this way you can write in ascending order. Suppose their tens place is also same, then you will check their ones place. See with the help of example. 4218, 4210, 4212, 4219. Firstly check thousands. All are same. Can't compare. Check their 100. Hundreds are also same. 200, 200 and 200. Can't compare. Now we will check their tens. 110. Here also 110. 110. Here also 110. We can't able to compare. What we have to do? We have to check their ones now. 8 ones, 0 ones, 2 ones, 9 ones. So which number is smallest? Whose ones is 0. So 4210 is the smallest number. Now this we will not compare. Now comparison between these three. Now it is clear to us that 1000, 100 and tens place are here same. So we have to check only and only the ones digit. So we will check it. 8 ones, 2 ones, 9 ones. So which is smallest? 2 ones is smallest. So we will write here 4212. Now left 4218 and 4219. Check their ones place. Here is 8, here is 9. So which one smallest? 8. 4218. And at the last what left? 4219 is the greatest number. So I think student ascending order is clear to you. Now we will come on descending order. This is your exercise 1D. One question, first question in front of you. Now I will not help you and you will not take help of your parents also. This is your homework. You have to do it on and on in your book. This is question 2. I am going to explain you. I will give you examples, but I will not help in these questions. This also you have to do yourself without the help of, even without help of your parents also. What is descending order? Now our next concept is descending order. I told you that descending order means to write the numbers from biggest to smallest. biggest to smallest. Firstly, we will start from the biggest number and at the end we will write the smallest number. Example 1246, 9246, 7246, and here is 2436. How can we compare this? Firstly, check their thousand. 1972. Which one is biggest here? Because descending order 9000. So firstly I will write 9246. Now comparison between these three. Which one is biggest? 7246. Now comparison between these two. Whose thousand bigger? 2000 bigger. So we will write 2436 and at the end I will write 1000, which is smallest number, 1246. One more example. The question is 5764, 5164, 5564, and here is 5964. Check their descending order, big to small. Firstly check their thousand. All thousand same. Now we will check their 100, 700, 100, 500, 900. Which is biggest? 900. So the numeral biggest is 5964. Now these three, check whose hundreds are big, because now it is clear that thousands are same. So now 7, 1 and 5. Which 100 is big? 7. So which is biggest number now bigger? 5764. Now comparison between these two. 5100, 500. Which one bigger? 500. So we will write here 5564 and at the last 5164. Clear? So in this way you can do these questions. Arrange in descending order and arrange in ascending order. These two questions is your homework today. You have to do in a very neat way by writing day and date neatly in your not in notebook. You have to do in the book only. But mention the date at the top. CW and date. Thank you children. Have a nice day.